Amen.
Naju Ojibwani ko sebrowa. Ekele Maria Egypt na Gracia o sebrowa nonyeli idengos next boronine.
Hey guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button on my video. And then remember to check out my book on Amazon.com. People of an Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Ifeanyi Chukwueze. Stick around for the news.
Maria Jason, Ninkichuku, Riabalai Bandinja, Kita, Amanya, Amen.
Jabalanya, your own Ninkichuku Jaso, Ayo, I know the old Chuku, Kirian Grasa, Limodiai, Kaiwandi and Jabuta, where Mali will have replaced him, Africa no beer, where Batan will stone and beaten on where, stand a Christy, Amen. But it told the rain and one among so, Amen. But it told the rain and one among so, Amen. Pablo Bindini Nequerano Galaga, Pablo before Zlikin and Dokwa.
Amen.
Onye nwanyi nọnyere m ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie unu nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
Amen.
Ekpere abịala ga-esite na nkwado ndị Love Bite Foods and Beverages Limited Nnobi. Ndị na-alụpụta Love Bite Bread nọ na nọmba 1 Nwotu Mmaduka Close, Umuru Nnobi, 081 49 82 82 54.
The FM, 24 hours of informative, educative, and entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On Ebona, the 103.5 FM.
Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona, the FM breaks the news with actualities.
And believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM news update today, Thursday, the 29th day of February 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifeanyi Chukwueze is my name. The headlines. Anambra, Lagos partner to advance information technology. Abia government bans a beauty contest over extortion, sexual exploitation of participants. Economic hardship. Nigerians should go back to farming. Honorable Paul Ezika. Ghanaians parliament passes anti-LGBTQ plus bill that could imprison people for years. Now, details. Anambra, Lagos partner to advance information technology as part of efforts towards advancing information and technology IT development in Nigeria. Anambra and Lagos states have agreed to a collaborative partnership that will see to the strengthening of their respective IT ecosystems. This, no doubt, resonates with the federal government's call through the Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, Dr. Bosun Tijani, at the recently concluded meeting of the Nigerian National Council of ICT Heads of Ministries, Departments and Agencies in Abeokuta, Ogun State for the digitalization of ministries, department, agencies, operations. The objectives and key highlights of the Anambra-Lagos partnership include cyber security, collaboration, protection of IT assets, cyber protection measures, and expansion of IT service platforms. Lagos State Commissioner for Innovation, Science and Technology, Tubosun Alake, expressed optimism about the collaboration, stating this partnership signifies a crucial step in fortifying our technological capabilities. By combining forces with Anambra, we aim to create a resilient IT infrastructure. Abia government bans a beauty contest over extortion, sexual exploitation of participants. All forms of beauty contests have been banned in Abia State following repeated reports of extortion and sexual exploitation of participants. The ban was made known by Senior Special Assistant to the Governor on Entertainment and Tourism, OK Justice Martins, at a press meeting in Umuahia. Martins announced that organizers of such events must be certified and screened by the Abia State government to confirm the veracity of their claims and ensure they comply with the set guidelines before being allowed to conduct such shows. Some individuals are taking advantage of Abia girls in the name of pageantry, make unfulfilled promises, as well as pimp them out to wealthy men in the state, thereby jeopardizing their careers while seeking to wear a crown, Martins claimed. Economic hardship. Nigerians should go back to farming. Honorable Paul Ezika. Nigerians have been called upon to go back to farming to curb the current hardship in the country. During the Edo-Poto celebration, which marks the beginning of the farming season in Ukpo Kingdom, the Auditor General Ukpo Improvement Union, Honorable Paul Uchenna Ezika Ezani Isiobi, joined voices with other stakeholders to make the clarion call. He called on Nigerians to go back to crop and livestock farming, explaining that if every family turns their backyard into vegetable garden and a poultry farm, it will reduce the increase in demand to meet household needs. He emphasized that the country's present challenge would be surmounted with collective contributions of all Nigerians irrespective of class. Also, a Nigerian senator from Abia State, Ojo Zokalo, has asked the farmers in his district to return to agriculture to sustain themselves in the face of the economic hardship in the country. Here is a report. Please take a listen.
Amidst the current hardship ravaging the country, Nigerians have been asked to return to farming in order to restore the economy. On the altar of the Edo-Poto of Ukpo community, the Auditor General Ukpo Improvement Union, Honorable Paul Uchenna Ezika Ezani Isiobi, joined voice with the Governor of Akwa Ibom State to admonish Nigerians to return to farming. You will recall that Governor Umo Eno gave the charge when he addressed the leadership of Christian Council of Nigeria at the government house, Uyo. He noted that the prevailing hardship was exacerbated by a prolonged neglect of agriculture amongst citizens, which has aggravated food shortage. Edo-Poto Iguaro of Ukpo community marks the beginning of the farming season in Ukpo Kingdom in the spirit of the celebration, Vice Chairman Orlando Ugodebube suggests that the current hardship will be defeated only with tradition, and Ugbo is on the right track. He lauded the Igwe of Ugbo community, Igwe Robert Eze, for his contributions in preserving the culture of the Ugbo people. From Igbo community, Martin Ifanchukwu Ekeze reporting.
Now we move over to the foreign scene. Ghana's parliament passes anti-LGBTQ plus bill that could imprison people for years. Accra, Ghana. Ghana's parliament passed a highly controversial anti-LGBTQ plus bill on Wednesday that could send some people to prison for more than a decade. The bill was introduced to a parliament 3 years ago and criminalizes members of the LGBTQ plus community as well as its supporters, including promotion and funding of related activities and the public displays of affection. Speaking to reporters after the bill was passed Wednesday, one of its sponsors, lawmaker Sam George, said he felt relieved. "I feel like a burden has been taken from me," he said. The bill has been sent to the president's desk to be signed into law. The West African nation has generally been considered more respectful of human rights than most African countries, and the bill has sparked condemnation among the international community and rights groups. The coalition of human rights activists said the bill violated fundamental human rights. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Anambra, Lagos partner to advance information technology. Abia government bans a beauty contest over extortion, sexual exploitation of participants, economic hardship. Nigerians should go back to farming. Honorable Paul Ezika. Ghana's parliament passes anti-LGBTQ plus bill that could imprison people for years. Here is a public service announcement of a stolen vehicle. Toyota Sienna model SUV, first model 1988 to 1999, color dark blue. The padded and bumper has a milk color. Plate number KWL 243AJ. Chassis number 4032F13C4W065357. Belongs to Achunike Anthony. Was stolen on Saturday, 17th February 2024 at Uruokwe, Enugu, close to Ezelias, around 12 noon. If found, please contact 070-6110-4631 or 080-3951-1118. Report to any nearest police station or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You just listened to news update on Ebona the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifanchukwu Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
to news updates on Ebonadi 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonadi FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be. Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community. Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifanshku, as our number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face on Emas and Ebonadi corner 24/7, 24/7.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebonadi 103.5 FM with Martin Ifanshku AKC every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonadi 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Hey guys, thank you. Like, subscribe my show, right? You're welcome.